In this video, I'm going to show you how you can duplicate your projects in Adobe Express. So here we have an Instagram project, and what would we do if we wanted to duplicate this? Essentially creating a backup and allowing us to edit the other one without editing the original one. So there are a couple of ways that you can do that. Now, if you're already inside of your project, you can just go ahead and create a new page and duplicate it that way. So if you were to go to the pages icon or view all pages in the top right, you can then click on this plus icon, which is going to add a new page. Alternatively, you can click on the three dots in the top right and click duplicate page. And essentially what we're doing here is we're duplicating the page. So it's going to be one project file, and you can create as many pages on that one project file. This will allow you to keep the original per se, and then you can change, let's just say we wanted to change this text here. And by doing that, the first one will be unedited and the second one will be different. This is good if you've got like a template that you want to edit. Now that's one way of doing it. Now, if you wanted to duplicate it from the actual homepage of Adobe Express, you need to go to your stuff and find the project. So here is the project. You can then click on the three dots and you can go ahead and duplicate it by clicking duplicate here. We'll call this Instagram project 2, and that is going to be another way. So any of those two ways will work. Let me know which one you prefer in the comments below.